Victory begins at Vidyalakshmi.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Aarti from Vidyalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Primary Wing. I hope you are all ready to learn something new today with me. Shall we begin? Let's begin our day with this beautiful quote. English is a property of imagination. Yes, it is a creative tool to express our thoughts and feelings. Are you all excited to know what exactly we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn about what is a sentence and the parts of a sentence. Are you all ready? Before we learn, look at these words. Singer, Radha, is, good, Does this group of words make any sense? No, right? Now, we are going to rearrange these words and we are going to make it meaningful. Let's see how. See here, Radha is a good singer. Is it making some sense? Yes, this makes some sense. Today, we are going to learn what is a sentence and the parts of a sentence. As I told, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. I repeat, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now, you should keep in mind a sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark could be a full stop, that is a period, or question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, keep this in your mind, dears. It will be helpful for you to write a sentence properly. Let's see an example for a sentence. Look at this sentence. Chennai is a big city. Can you see? The first letter is a capital letter. Okay, and it ends with a full stop. So this is how a sentence has to be written. And between the words, we should be having space. Okay, dears? So now, next one. A sentence has two parts. What are those? Subject and predicate. I repeat, a sentence has two parts. They are subject and predicate. A subject always tells us who or what the sentence is about. Okay, and a subject might be a noun or proper noun or a pronoun. And let's see about predicate. Predicate always tells us what the subject does or is, and it always begins with a verb. I repeat, a predicate always tells us what the subject does or is, and it always begins with the verb. And predicates helps us to learn something about the subject. It always tells something about the subject. Okay? Let's see some examples for sentences. Look at this sentence. Riya is playing football. In this sentence, Riya is a subject and the rest of the part is known as predicate. If I ask you a question, who is playing football? Then your answer might be Riya is playing football, right? In that case, Riya is a subject. And if I ask, what is Riya doing? Your answer will be Riya is playing football, right? Then this is called the predicate. Okay? Shall we see the next example? Look at this sentence. Sarah and Tom went to the park. Now, if I ask you a question, who went to the park? Your answer will be Sarah and Tom, right? Then that is the subject. And if I ask, where did Sarah and Tom go? Then your answer will be Sarah and Tom went to the park, right? So that is called the predicate. Okay? Let's see another example. John is a doctor. If I ask, who is a doctor? Then you'll be able to say, John is a doctor, right? Then this John is a subject. And what is John? For that, you will say the answer as John is a doctor, right? Then this is a predicate. So you should be able to identify the subject and predicate like this. And you should keep in mind this subject always tells us who and what is the sentence about. Okay? Now we have come to an end. Today we learned what is a sentence and the parts of a sentence, right? The subject and predicate. So what do you have to do? Now you all know what is subject and predicate. So for all these sentences, if you know the answer, drop your answers in the comment section. Okay? And have you ever thought about a sentence which contains all the 26 alphabet? Here is the answer. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I repeat, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence contains all the 26 alphabet. Okay, with this interesting fact, I, Aarti, end this video session. Meet you all in the next video soon. Thank you.